I can say tonight that we are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly. We're going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong.
美國總統特朗普當地星期三夜晚喺白宮發表講話，宣稱美軍對伊朗嘅戰事取得快速而壓倒性勝利。佢就重申絕對唔允許伊朗擁有核武器，行動嘅初期亦都表明咗目標，就係要系統性瓦解伊朗政權威脅美國嘅能力。戰事嘅核心戰略目標已經接近完成。
In the meantime, discussions are ongoing. Regime change was not our goal. We never said regime change, but regime change has occurred because of all of their original leaders' death.
佢亦都提到，目前被伊朗封鎖嘅霍爾木茲海峽會隨住衝突結束自然重新開放。
They're going to want to be able to sell oil because that's all they have to try and rebuild. It will resume the flowing and the gas prices will rapidly come back down. Stock prices will rapidly go back up.